Tozani bogogo nomkhulu isaluka sendoda lesugogo bathini mbathu mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Unumber 1 Locksmith wena. Homosexual wealth. It's a tough one. But I had to do it because the previous video I did about gays and lesbians, correcting people's tongues whenever they talk about gays and lesbians as if they are talking about people that doesn't exist. Then my clients were calling and were coming and say, Gogo, please talk about the wealth searching around homosexual. Gogo, you'll see how you put it, but please do something about it. I am doing something about it now. There is wealth of, there's wealth whereby a person is willing to be either a gay or a lesbian. That wealth requires you to want to do it. It's specifically designed, planned, mixed, orchestrated for people who are not gays and lesbians. I want to make it clear there. As we start, it has to be clear in the beginning. When it was done, this one, I'm talking facts as usual, based on the research that I did, whereby a person will tell me to say, Gogo, when I did this, I was very fortunate to meet with one of the people who have one of the, it's not the first, it's not the only, but one of the people who have came up with that wealth. Uguti, what was the idea all about when he said it's meant for people who are not gays or lesbian, who are not homosexual? That's why he came up with this. So, meaning, Uguti, it's a sacrifice that you are doing. Uguti, when as a man, for example, you will sleep with other men, and it was not you because you were not gay. You were not gay. Your feelings are not originally made, or you were not born that way. Again, it's a sensitive one. It's a sensitive one. And it doesn't mean that people who have realized late, or they have they are gays or lesbians, then it means they have that wealth. No. And it doesn't mean that if you see every a gay or lesbian, then you must say, oh, he's wealthy because of it's what Ugogo Batini was talking about. This one, it's wealth that is designed for a person who is not, they know for sure, Uguti, their sexual interest is based on an opposite sex. Now you need to sacrifice that twist. That is your sacrifice. That is your sacrifice. So it's come in two ways. There is a cheaper version whereby you can just say you want to do it straight. You just want to go straight on opposite. Or you want to do it ukuthi wena ufuna ukushaya ngapha nangapha. It really the rituals, they also differ when it comes to that. But I'm not gonna go deep with this one because it's one thing that I know of for the fact how it's done. I went through the mixing of muti and been told how it's done. How does it change your hormones as a person? How does it change and make you being attracted to the same sex as you are? I know all of those muti. I've learned about it. However, it is not as yet something that I can say I'm comfortable in doing it for someone. I've learned it. I've practiced the mixing. I send the mixing to him as I treat him as a lab, so that whoever client that comes to him, he can do it. However, as much as he said, yes, you are doing it right, but I am not as comfortable as he is as yet. And I'll tell you why. Because this thing, it works. I mix it. It works for him because he is comfortable. So he is spiritually connected with that mixing of herbs, or how I've mixed it, because it's how he instructed me to say, this is how you do it, blah, 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 blah. I did I did pay for that. He did talk to his ancestors to say he is now handing over this mixture to me, or rather this knowledge to me as well. And I'm taking this knowledge officially. So all of that has been done, but still it leaves me in a vacuum to say, I always want to know what then after. Because you must remember, other countries, they don't have problems that we have. Problems whereby you do something for a person and then the next thing tomorrow, they've changed their minds. Lalela, they don't care on that. But mina, my clients will be people of South Africa. So Kuyena is not people from South Africa. I mean, it's people from South Africa to his country. So to me, it's totally different. So that's why I'm saying, Uguti, I can only do a video in confirming, Uguti, there is a homosexual wealth. And it's working. It does make people to be wealthy. It does work. Definitely it is working. However, I can only do one section of it. But the other part or phase, you need to go to the country and they must perform it to you. That is a twist about it. However, the most important part of this video that I'm doing today, it's for people to be careful. Guys, be careful. Guys, we have families. Let's not be selfish to such an extent which you want to be wealthy and you are willing to change the landscape of your family structure. You're willing to change the landscape of your family structure to a strange one. A happy child is a child that grows up in a family whereby, oh, I saw my mom is lesbian. My mom explained this to me when I was still a bit young, or I understand what is happening, and my mom is not acting to this, or my father is not doing this because of he hates me and everything. My father has realized Uguti he's gay, or my mom, whatever. If you are gay or lesbian originally by birth, it's easier. It's easy to explain to your child, most importantly, if you have one, to your family. It's easy compared to you being known, now suddenly you have changed, suddenly you are rich and everything. To me, it causes lots and lots of confusion. I think we are getting too desperate for wealth. We are getting too desperate for wealth in such a way that I'm asking myself, ukuthi sizoyimela yini ndisiqalayo? Are we really, really, really ready for what we are starting? Right. Here's a twist. Ugogo Bathini Mbatha dies because Ugogo Bathini Mbatha is human. Dies. What then happens? Who's gonna answer those questions? You know, other wealth things, group, what. I can explain up to the end, but this one is not something that I can show people that I work with to say this one you do this way. What? No, there's a ritual that I say. That's why I said I had to buy Impala Springbok. I had to buy Impala. I had to pay money for that ritual to be handed over, that knowledge to be handed over to me. And I don't know what was mixed in this handing over ritual to me. So even if I can say you'll come at home, somebody will give you answers when I'm dead, or to what's going to happen. There will be no answers on me. Unfortunately, on my side, there will be no answers. Then what? Then what are you going to do about it? So, I'm asking you, as family members, ukuthi, we need to see the difference and to understand the difference. Ukuthi, it doesn't mean if you are gay or lesbian, automatically you'll be rich. It doesn't mean that. And it doesn't mean the rich gays and lesbians, they are wealthy because of they are gays and lesbians, or because of they have done something about their sexuality. It doesn't mean that. They are just born that way. It ends there. I like to explain gays and lesbians in a sense that it's like a family member who is an extraordinary, a very quiet individual, very quiet person. That's how different they are. They are human. How many percent of human are these people? 100% humans. Maybe you are not Wena that you think they are. So let's be careful, guys, when we're taking this wealth whereby it's going to change you, it's going to transform you. Because I take it as a spiritual transgender. It's a spiritual transgender. That's how, when I'm sitting here on this laboratory stroke studio, that's how I analyze it. Uguti, no, this thing, man, it's a spiritual transgender. So it's not something that you are doing it physically, but you are doing it spiritually and emotionally. Then you've changed. Others, they get it not knowing. That's why I'm saying that, guys, it's very important to ask questions. It's very important to ask questions. I do have a client who's gay today, but he never saw it coming. He never saw it coming. And I was honest with him, and I told him, there's nothing that can be done to you. You can waste money, and if you want me to try, I can try, because I love exploring. I can try, but my trying is going to cost you. And he said, yes, Sarwazi, I trust you. Let's try. I tried. I failed. But I got my money. Because I did explain to him, I will try. It is not something that I guarantee, for sure. Don't worry. I'll take you back to indoda. No, you've decided ukuthi wena you are going to take something that you are not going to ask relevant questions. That is a twist in Ganza wethu. We don't ask questions. We don't ask questions. We go to the healer. You want to be wealthy. You're just rushing. You're just rushing the process. You don't. That's why other healers, they just give you anything. Then you are happy. Because it starts there. It starts by a smile. You are going to be happy first. Lalela, you are going to be happy first. But as time goes on, the truth reveals itself. The truth reveals itself. Now it's showing itself why you are wealthy. Now you're changing. You're no longer attracted to your husband. You're no longer attracted to your girlfriend. Now it's changing. That thing is no longer there. That vavavum. I say, your partner tries to touch you. You jumpy. Suddenly, when you hang around with guys, yes, you are a guy. Your partner knows you as a boyfriend, a husband, but suddenly, these guys, they sleep over. Suddenly, there are meetings that are being held at the study room. Suddenly, there's things that are changing now. Even kids, they can be aware. Suddenly, daddy's lips, daddy is no longer on Vaseline, only on his lips. Something is wrong. Daddy, suddenly you are not called. You don't want to be called Ubaba. You want to be called Daddy. And Daddy wakona mustn't have DD. It must be Daddy. Daddy. Hi, Dad. You're now changing. Imagine how much you are denting, affecting this family structure. Now you're bringing a totally different angle. Then your wealth stops. Because now you need to get out of the closet. Now, those are the ones that are in the closet. Remember the previous video I did that say that gays and lesbians are not in the closet. I don't believe if you are gay and lesbian and you haven't came out, you are in the closet. You are not in the closet. Because you are born that way. The ones that are in a closet are ones that went to look for wealth that goes with that. So you are in a closet. So now you need to come out of the closet, and you are forced to do that because now your lucky has run dry or is running dry. You need to come out of the closet. That's when the poo hits the fan. Yeah. Amaqhesa ayaphuma manje. Sesifuna ukubona manje sithi, "Hey dala sikusola man ukuthi hayi wena, wena sodlalela enye team manje yena. Uyafihla wena. Wena siyabona wena uthi uyafihla wena. Now you need to come out. We need to see you." And even gays and lesbians will be looking at you to say, yeah, this one was one of the people in the community who was talking too much. And now, poor gays and lesbians. They will look at you in such a loving eye to say, now you are coming out like they did. And there's a difference. When it's wealth related. And when you come out, you need to come out full blow. I know girls who are lesbians, but you'll never tell. I know because my friends have kids, and the community that I'm in have those people like that, and you cannot tell. You know because of they are open about it. They are not afraid to talk about it. But when you cannot tell. There are those that, and there are people who are gays that you cannot tell. They know. Abanye, they are married, their wife knows. They don't have kids because their wife knows with Chayani and everything. They have their own reason to hide it and everything. But they sometimes they come out and they don't care who says what. Imagine ke wena, you are not born with this thing. Usumdala, unentshebe. That's when you are going to reveal to us to say, I've changed clubs. I'm now playing for that club. I've changed. I've changed. I've changed. And it was not even end of the season, but you've changed clubs. Just like that. And if you change a club, if you are new in the club, what is expected by us as Pegile? Now you need to show us what you have already changed. You are now playing for a new club. That's where the problem is. So that's why I'm saying that we need to be careful, guys. We cannot just relax and think, we go with the flow, it's going to be easier just because of you are wealthy and everything. Your family is going to be affected. Your close family, your relatives, it's going to be affected. Your own family now that you've made, whether your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your children is going to be affected. Your friends, you have to change friends now. Because suddenly you are playing for another team. Now you need to change friends. At work, you are going to be affected. In the society, you are going to be affected. Where do you live when you say you don't care in that level? Where do you live? I don't live for people. I don't live for people's authority to say this is the life I must live and everything. But I stay in that community. I'm part and parcel of the society at the end of the day. Whether I like it or not, I can be a person that locks themselves in the house. They don't go out. They don't do that. But at the end of the day, I'm part and parcel of the community. I'm going to go out. I shop there. My kids are going to school there. I go to the meetings there. Whatever you do, it's in your community. What then is going to happen? What is it that you're going to do about it? If you are that brave and you want to do it, go for it. There's nothing that I can tell you about it. Coco, does it work? Yes, it does work if you find the right person who's doing it. Yes, it does work. I'm not ready, as I've said, to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to promise you to do it. Don't come to me. You'll be wasting your time. I don't do it. And another thing that is very important, guys, I don't do referrals, guys. The only referral I can do for you is of the healer that I've once mentioned by the name on social media. If I've mentioned a healer on social media, like Coco Keleto, who's more on promotions and everything. There's a lady who called me last. No, it's a guys, two guys from different companies. They are now, or the other one is now a CEO. The other one is now a CA for the company officially. So. Those promotions, they got it from her. If I mention her like that, then I can refer you to say, yes, Ukona Ukoko Keleto can do this for you. But other than that, I don't do referrals, guys. I'm sorry, I don't do referrals. I don't go to these countries to look for contacts for you to go there and come back and blame me and come back and insult me. I once gave somebody a referral to Mozambique. I explained to Ugai. I explained to Ugai to say, hey, you need to be careful. This is a situation. This is how you must do and everything. When he got to Mozambique, he was told that, yes, we know that person. He moved from there and he went to a place like this. I will take you to that person. Coco, do you have a picture of that person? I don't have a picture of that person. You understand? So the issue of referrals, guys, is because you guys are not being honest. If you go there, you get wealthy, you are happy, you are moneyed, you never come back and say, Gogo, thank you. Nasi nyana uthengisa inefu. You don't do that. But you go there, you get knocked, then you come running to me and say, hey, Gogo this, Gogo that. I don't do referrals. I'm doing this video just to educate you, just to make it stazi. Be careful when you are considering the homosexual wealth. It does happen. It does work. I've seen people who have been to the country that I'm talking about. They came back wealthy. Others, I've seen others from South Africa. There's a celebrity that I know that he went there as well. I've met him there and he was very happy. And we chatted and everything. He's fine. Now and then we meet for coffee, we talk and everything. Sometimes he will call me to say, Gogo, they say you must assist me with the bathing. Then I will assist him with the bathing. It ends there. And it's good money, yo. Whenever he calls with that bath to say, Gogo, can you please, Gogo, how are you, Granny? Gran, can you do me that bath, please? I called him cool. He said, because he's far, you can help me. And I said, yes, dawg. Come, I'll help you. Hey, I get happy. It's money. It's good money. I won't lie to you. But I mean, I'm struggling, guys. So if I get such calls, I smile. I said, yes, come. He's right. I will assist you. And he also asked me to say, Gogo, why don't you do this? You know, because he was asking for a friend and everything. I said, no, I haven't connected with the ritual spiritually. That's a problem. I don't do something that I haven't connected. I haven't like got a grip of it to be confident in saying, yeah, now I'm running with this. So I want to run with something when I do it. I don't want to do something for the sake of a check. I'll do it as long as I'll get money at the end of the day. No, I don't like doing that. So having said that, guys, I hope we are in the same page. And if I have said anything about gays and lesbians that it is not correct, I really apologize for that. I didn't mean to. I'm also in a learning curve about learning about other people. In general, I really apologize. And I've never even said I'm representing gays and lesbians. I'm just talking as a human being and as an open-minded individual. So if ever I did not use the language that involves them correctly, I know it's a very sensitive issue, the same way as the issue of people who are living with albinism. So I don't want to find myself being a talk of the town to say Gogo Batinimbata is discrimination, whatever. Please don't come with those dictionary English words. I'm okay with my Ben and Betty English. I'm only trying to mold the society that I'm living in. I'm not doing this content to trend, to be known by putting you down and everything. So any society, if you want me to do a content that involves gays and lesbians, please feel free to contact my office. I'll be more than happy to do it. But it has to be a content that involves a traditional healing. It mustn't be a content that is there on its own, because I'm not gonna be able to fit in, because I won't have a contribution as a healer that I will contribute with. So if I said anything wrong, please forgive me. I'm only learning Bantu. Salukazi Sabantu. So thank you so much, guys. Projects of schools, shoes. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. It is amazing. The response we are getting, it's overwhelming, and we are not going to stop until my deadline. For now, it's denting me financially. I won't lie to you. You know, having to consult maybe 15 people per day, and all those 300 rands, they now went to school shoes and everything. It is denting me. However, I'm doing it from the bottom of my heart. Sarwa Sendo Tatozan.